So welcome back guys, and in this video we are going to see the XPath access methods. Those are the preceding and preceding sibling method. Okay, so the preceding methods, as you have seen in the previous video, this particular slide I have shown you that the following and following siblings selects the tags following the particular reference node or tag. Okay, and the following sibling selects the following tags which has the same parent. Okay, so similarly in the preceding and preceding sibling we have if you select a reference node or a tag, then all the tag preceding to that particular tag will be selected by the preceding method, by this particular method. And if you use preceding sibling, then all the tags which has the same parent as that of the reference tag will be selected. Okay, so let us move to the website and see it practically, so that we can understand it more clearly, because theory wise these concepts are a little bit less understandable. So let's move to the website, and again I will take the same example of the salesforce.com or the developer.salesforce.com and the start my free trial page. I'm inspecting this country or region drop down menu, and we can see here this is inside the select tag. Okay, so if I expand it, we'll find the options tag. Okay, so let me press Control F over here and then type here /option and then @attribute value is equals to. So let me find out a particular value. So let me inspect it once again, and let me type here as. Okay, so if I type here as, so you can see this particular tag has got selected. And then if I type here preceding and then I type the tag name as 2 colons and then option, so you can see that all the option values preceding that particular value as are selected. Okay, so this is the option tag preceding that particular option tag. So there are 1 of 21, so 21 tags are in total preceding that particular option tag. And you can see we will reach as, and you can see it again reach the top. So this was the AS tag which we selected. Okay, this was the AS tag, and preceding it is DZ, AL, AF, US, and above it are these particular option tag, and above it we have these particular option tags. So all of these are getting selected. Okay, so the preceding tag is similar to the following tag, which finds out all the option tag over the web page. Okay, but if we write preceding sibling, okay, sibling, then it will select all the option tag which has the same parent. So it will select only 5. Okay, so you can see that this particular option disabled label 1, and this is option values equals to US2 and AF3, AL4, DZ5. So there are 5 tags preceding this particular AS tag which we have selected as the reference node. Okay, so this is how preceding and preceding sibling tags are used. If you have gone through the following and following sibling, then by the word preceding and preceding sibling you must have understood that what these tags are for. But still I have shown you the live demo over the website, so I hope that this is very clear to you that why basically preceding and preceding sibling are used. So I'll meet you in the next video with some new concept. Until then, keep learning and keep watching. Thank you.